friends, Miss Janet here from the Stova Library. Welcome to STEAM. Today we are going to explore bubbles. Who likes to blow bubbles? I do. That is so fun. So when you get to the bubble blowing part, it might be a good idea to do that outside so that there's no muss and fuss inside. But first, let's read a book, and this book is called Bubbles. And it was written by Kit Chase, and it was published by G.P. Putnam's Sons. Okay, so let's read Bubbles. So I'm going to bring it closer so that you friends can see the picture. So here we have Bubbles. So here it starts. It says, Kangaroo loved to blow bubbles. One day she saw some mysterious bubbles, so she followed the bubble trail. There she goes, following that trail, and she found Koala. So she followed that trail all the way to Koala. Hello, said Kangaroo. Koala didn't say hello. Koala climbed a tree instead. Hello, Kangaroo called. Koala still didn't say a word. Kangaroo took a lollipop out of her pocket. Koala didn't want it. She took out a pinwheel. Koala didn't want that either. Oh dear. Bother, said Kangaroo, slowly walking away. Kangaroo sat down to think and blow bubbles. Soon some bubbles floated by again. Kangaroo and Koala blew friendly bubbles to each other. That sounds like fun. They blew small bubbles and big bubbles, crocodile bubbles and tiger bubbles. It was a happy bubble party. Suddenly, the bubbles began to stick together, and they grew bigger and bigger. Awesome. And even bigger. The bubbles had turned into a great big bubble monster, and it was heading right toward Kangaroo. Oh my goodness. Yikes, squawked Koala. Help, squealed Kangaroo. And all of a sudden, Koala felt brave. Let's go get that bubble monster, said Koala. Oh my, that is quite the monster. Whoa. Pop, 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 pop. So there they are, popping all those bubbles. Kangaroo and Koala looked around. The bubble monster was gone. Hello, said Kangaroo. Hello, said Koala. Kangaroo had bubble gum in her pocket. And they blew bubbles happily ever after. Do you like blowing bubbles with bubble gum? Oh my goodness, that's too silly. Okay, so they were blowing bubbles, and those bubbles stuck together and made this monster out of all those bubbles. Too fun. Okay, so I would like you to blow some bubbles and maybe let them pop onto a paper. So you could even do that outside. Try to catch the bubbles on your paper and see what they leave behind, because there might be different shapes, I don't know, different sizes that bubbles leave behind. So you could do some abstract bubble art. That would be cool. So blow bubbles and catch them on your paper so that when they pop, they make a beautiful art picture on your paper. Then what I would like you to do, see if you have a pipe cleaner or some pipe cleaners at your house, and make some different shapes that you could use instead of just a circle. Maybe I tried to make this kind of into a square or a rectangle. So a square, I tried to make a triangle. See what shapes you could make and then dip them into, just put some bubbles onto a plate and you can just put your wand into the bubble mixture and then blow a bubble. Let's see if this will make a bubble. Nope. So it just depends. You have to get the right amount of bubbles onto your wand and blow some bubbles and see if you can make any different shapes other than a circle. Because when you blow bubbles, they usually look like circles. So see if you can make any other shapes when you blow bubbles out of different shaped wands. So find some pipe cleaners, make yourself a wand, go on outside with your bubbles, blow some bubbles, try to catch them on some paper, make some bubble art, or just see what kinds of shapes come out when you blow your bubbles out of different shaped wands. So have fun exploring bubbles today.